We guide you through how to create Payoneer account. First, open your browser, go to the official Payoneer website, then click the sign up or register button. Choose the account type that best fits your needs, whether you are a freelancer, online seller, or business owner. Next, enter your personal information, including your full name, email address, date of birth, and contact details. After that, create a secure password and set up your security questions for account protection. Continue by providing your address and other required identification details exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. Then enter your bank account information so you can receive withdrawals from your Payoneer balance. Review all the information you've entered, submit your application, and wait for the verification process to complete. Once approved, log into your Payoneer account, complete your any additional verification requirements if requested, and start receiving international payments, managing funds, and accessing Payoneer's financial services.